Number 4, our captain, Harmanpreet Kaur. And here again, may I start at 50 lakh. Do I have 50 anywhere? At 50 lakh. At 50 lakh for Harmanpreet Kaur, starting price. Bangalore again, thank you. At 50 lakh at the back of the room, I have Bangalore at 50 on my right. At 50. Anyone else coming in? At 50. Delhi, I have 55. Thank you. At 55, 60 goes back to Bangalore. 65 comes back up front. 70 with Bangalore. 75 is up front. At 75 now with Delhi. On my left at 75. 80 goes back to Bangalore. 85 back with Delhi on my left. 90 on my right. 95. At 95 lakh, do we have any more? At 95, currently on my left. Anyone else coming in? 100, we go back to Bangalore. Thank you. 100 lakh with Bangalore. At 100. At 100 lakh, still on my right. 110 back with Delhi. At 110, back up front with Delhi. At 110 lakh. At 110, do we have anybody else coming in? If Bangalore wants another bid, 120 new bidder, thank you. At 120 lakh, up front with Mumbai. At 120, 130 goes back to Delhi against you. At 130 with Delhi, 140 with Mumbai. 150 is with Delhi. At 150, 160 back in the center with Mumbai. At 160 lakh now with Mumbai in the center. All done at 160 lakh, not yours Bangalore, not yours Delhi. It's at 160 lakh with the Mumbai Indians. And I will sell, if everybody's completely sure, 170. I have a new bidder coming in. 180. Back to Mumbai. At 180. Would you like one more? At 180 then, still with the Mumbai Indians. And selling up front in the center then, Harmanpreet Kaur at 180 lakh. Sold to Mumbai at 180 lakh. Thank you so much.